Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this super quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check screen time inside your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head over to your settings app on your phone, and then you want to look for digital wellbeing and parental controls. Click into that, and then here will show you your screen time on your phone and your most used apps. So if you want to see more details, click into this. Click into this bar here, and as you can see, this will show you your screen time on your phone and what notifications and unlocks, etc. If you head back, you can look at your most used apps. So if you click into that, it will show you here your most used apps as well. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. How to check screen time on your Android device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.